There's nothing better than the sweet smell of success as your phone rings saying that you have new notifications of you earning money. It's a surreal feeling to gain money on your own accords with your hard work paying off big time. But it's surely a whole level of satisfaction to be earning cash from 3 different astonishing methods that, when combined, allow you to earn over $1,000 in pure revenue. Pure revenue? Yep, that's absolutely right. Everything that you'll earn is 100% pure and concrete profit because you will not be investing anything in making this whole strategy work. Now, I have a little secret. This is actually really low-key for now, so consider yourself lucky that you're even watching this video right here. Only a few people know about this whole strategy, so you should stay with me until the end of the video. Everything that I'll discuss with you is really easy that you can do it in just a quick blink of an eye.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, I don't want to keep you guys waiting and prolong the agony, so without further ado, allow me to show you the very first website, which is called remotetasks.com. Remote Tasks is actually quite popular and you may have heard of this method before, but you probably never went into full detail about it. That is why this video will show you everything that you need to know in working your way to remote tasks and make it your means to produce massive streams of income. As soon as you visit their page, you can see that this platform will allow you to earn in USD just by doing online tasks from the comfort of your own home. Like I said, this platform is quite popular among hustlers like you, as proven by what they say right here. With a total number of over 240,000 taskers in the community, this website surely has got all of the goods that help you be satisfied with your earnings. Now, I want you to scroll down, and you can find the section where you can learn how it works. Do tasks, get paid. It's literally that simple. From labeling images to transcribing audio, earn money completing simple tasks. To break it down further, you can just execute this method in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Learn easily. Learn how to do tasks with our quick online courses or free hands-on training. Step 2. Complete tasks. Work on tasks from projects that you've unlocked. And finally, Step 3. Get paid in US dollars weekly. Get paid fast via PayPal or AirTM based on the quality and number of tasks that you've completed. Alright, so feel free to scroll the page some more and you can find all the information needed for you to learn about. Near the bottom, you can even find some frequently asked questions where you can learn more about being a remote tasker, so by all means feel free to look each question up so that you'll have the extra sense of security about this website's legitimacy. As you scroll down, you can even find more information that contributes to further proving that this website is not a scam. Over here, you can find real testimonies and success stories by taskers from all over the world. You have all the liberty to go through these videos so that you will get more inspiration in pursuing becoming a remote tasker. Once you're done, you can now proceed to the sign-up process all the way up to the topmost part of the page. Just click on this black button right here that says sign up. After doing so, you will be redirected to this page where you can now begin the registration process. Tick on this box right here that says I agree to the terms of service and EU DPA. Then proceed into continuing the creation of your account through Facebook or Google. Once you're done with registration, you can now go full force into completing tasks on your dashboard. Everything will be so fun and interesting, so you can never go wrong with pursuing any one of these tasks. And of course, it will allow you to earn large amounts of money, so this method is absolutely stellar. And that was Remote Tasks. Therefore, we can now proceed to the second website that I'm going to show you. It's none other than buzzbreak.news. This one's a personal favorite since it's really convenient that you can just use your mobile phone in executing this method. The best thing about this is that you can continue to make money on and on even when you're on the go. Why is that? That is because with Buzzbreak, all you have to do is read some interesting articles and news just to keep you going and updated. All articles will be sparking with interest, so there's no way that you can reach boredom in pursuing this method. Just by reading articles online, you can earn rewards and then convert it into real actual money. Surely amazing, right? And get this, the Buzzbreak app can be downloaded in both Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So it really is convenient and accessible. No matter what device you're using, whether it's an iOS or an Android device, this method will still work perfectly.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Take a look at this. The Buzzbreak app has over a whopping total of 600,000 downloads from users all over the world. So in summary, Buzzbreak is a lifestyle app that shows you all the popular content from the internet. From interesting videos to funny memes and down to the world-breaking news events. Everything can be found here on Buzzbreak. As you scroll down, you can further find out its amazing rating, placed at a comfortable 3.6 stars out of 5. When you think about it, that's already above average, since the global average for apps on the Google Play Store is only at 3 stars. So with that rating and overwhelmingly positive reviews, you're surely in good hands. Now that we're reaching at the end of the video, I'm going to reveal the very last website and the final method for you to earn fat stacks of cash online quickly. This website is called surveytime.io. From the name, it's quite literal, since all you have to do is accomplish surveys and then earn money in as easy as 1, 2, 3. As soon as you visit their official website, you will immediately see that with Survey Time, you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. You have the option to view this tutorial video right here, which is only good for as little as 1 minute, so the choice is up to you. But really, I think there's no need for you to do that, just as long as you're paying attention to everything that I'm teaching you. SurveyTime is one of the best websites in their own field, and with an out-of-this-world rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. Based on my observation, Trustpilot has one of the most fiercest raters out there, so 4.5 is really a feat. With that said, you are now in the clear to proceed to the sign-up process, which is just conveniently placed on the main homepage. Commence the registration by entering your email and then expect your password to be sent out to you via email you entered. To make your life a whole lot easier, you also have the liberty to proceed with the sign-up process by continuing with Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Just choose any one of the methods because it will all lead you to the same direction anyway. After signing up, you now have the power to create money from thin air just by accomplishing surveys that are just really easy in general. Most of the time, the surveys will only take a couple of minutes, not going beyond the 5-minute mark, so it's really just a quick walk in the park.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.